Mo kí gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì sí àlàáfíà ni mo bá yín ọ̀dẹ òdò bí mo kí gbogbo wa pé a kú ewu ọdún tuntun a kú ìyèdùn ẹ̀mí wa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀ ọdún láyé ojú wa tó rí 2026 lágbára ọba mi Èdùmàrè òun ló máa rí 2027 ó máa rí 2028 ó máa rí 2029 kódà ó máa rí 2070 lágbára Èdùmàrè wọn ò kúkú nífẹ̀ẹ́ ní ọkọ̀ ṣàwátì nínú gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi ọdún ayọ̀ la máa ṣe a ò ní bá wọn ṣe ọdún ìbànújẹ́ lágbára Èdùmàrè àwọn tí àwa mọ̀ rí tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kan àbí òmíì tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ní ti ìdàkejì a ò fi yọ wọn àfi ń gbórúkọ ẹ̀gá ní bàbá bá wa bu òróró tùnú sínú agbolé wọn má jẹ́ kí irú ẹ̀ tún ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́ ní ọ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ wọn lágbára Èdùmàrè ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ni mo tún wá gbé fún yín ní èní kí ni mo tún wá mú wá fún yín information wo ni mo tún wá mú fún yín gbogbo ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ ìkànnì yìí ẹ kúkú ti mọ̀ èmi ò lè rí kí n má wàá fi tó yín létí 2026 it don load o this 2026 ó máa load o àwọn àṣírí kan ti ń jáde o àwọn àṣírí kan ti ń jáde bó tiẹ̀ ti lè jẹ́ wípé nǹkan tá a ti ń mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ nǹkan tá a ti ń fura sí náà ni but ó ti wá ń padà ń jáde yẹ́n wọ́n pa àgbàdo náà sọ wọ́n tó bá dé ojú ṣúṣú wọ́n ní fọ̀rọ̀ máa ń là ní 2026 in fact tí a ò bá fi rí justice fún Mohbad ní 2026 a jẹ́ wípé a lè má rí justice yẹn mọ́ torí mo mọ̀ pé àwọn àṣírí máa tú ní ọdún 2026 àwọn àṣírí máa tú àṣírí bí wọ́n ṣe jà àṣírí bí Wùnmí ṣe yọ ọ̀bẹ àṣírí bó ṣe gún Mohbad àṣírí bí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣe ń jáde àṣírí bí wọ́n ṣe múlẹ̀ nínú ilé pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn tó wà ńbẹ̀ pé kí wọ́n má sọ̀rọ̀ síta àṣírí yẹn ti ń jáde o àṣírí yẹn ti ń jáde bí ẹni yẹn ṣe send information sí platform woman kan gbàgbé orúkọ woman yẹn àṣírí yẹn ti ń jáde díẹ̀díẹ̀ o mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé a ò tí ì gbọ́ nǹkan kan a ò tí ì kódà a sì máa bá débi wípé àwọn tó wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àwọn backbone Wùnmí àṣírí yẹn máa tú dọ̀dọ̀ wọn finally mo mọ̀ pẹ́lẹ́dà Mohbad ò ní sùn 2026 ó máa gbóná mọ́ àwọn òṣìkà ó máa gbóná mọ́ àwọn ọ̀daràn ó máa gbóná mọ́ àwọn ẹni ibi gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí yìí lágbára Èdùmàrè 2026 kò ní gbóná mọ́ gbogbo wa lágbára Èdùmàrè ẹ wo bí ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń bá mi share ẹ̀ fún ẹ̀yin tó yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ́yìí tẹ́ ẹ kọ́ máa kọ́ sí ẹlẹ́yẹlé global tẹ́ ò tí subscribe abẹ́yìn tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wo platform yìí tó yẹ pé ẹ kàn ń wò ni ẹ ń wò pé jẹ́ kí n ṣì máa wò bóyá òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ máa jáde ńbẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n ṣì máa wò bóyá òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ máa jáde ńbẹ̀ at least from January 2025 to December 2025 at least ẹ̀yin náà ti mọ̀ pé ìkànnì yìí kò kí hèrà tí ò lọ́mọ́nú any information tí ẹ bá gbọ́n bí báyìí tó bá jẹ́ real a máa sọ fún yín pé yes real ni tó bá yẹ pé ìtẹ́pẹ́ máa fún ní 50-50 a máa sọ fún yín pé 50-50 ni mo mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin kan ń wo prógámù yìí ẹ̀ ń wo platform mi tó yẹ pé ẹ sì ń wò pé jẹ́ kí n ṣe máa wò bóyá ó ń sòótọ́ jẹ́ kí n ṣe máa wò bóyá ó ń sòótọ́ at least platform tẹ́ wò fún odindi ọdún kan tí ẹ ò dẹ̀ bá irọ́ ń bẹ̀ ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ lè ti mọ̀ pé òótọ́ ni ẹ̀yin náà ẹ join Ilé Aláyọ̀ ẹ bá wa subscribe sí Ẹlẹ́yẹlé Global TV ká lè tó máa jẹ ìgbádùn ètò yìí lọ fún ẹni tó yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ́yìí tó yẹ pé ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ kọ́ máa kọ́ sí platform yìí rí tẹ́ ẹ ṣe débẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ gbádùn nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ níbẹ̀ ètò tẹ́ ẹ bá níbẹ̀ ẹ̀yin náà join Ilé Aláyọ̀ kẹ́ ẹ subscribe sí Ẹlẹ́yẹlé Global TV ká lè máa jẹ ìgbádùn ètò yìí lọ ṣé wàá gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá ń subscribe ọwọ́ tẹ́ fi ń tẹ subscribe yẹn lágbára Èdùmàrè 2026 láwa yìí ẹ ò ní fi gbọ́mọ sí lágbára Èdùmàrè owó lẹ́yìn máa fi kà ẹ má bá mi ká lọ ẹ wá gbọ́ wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́.
That just popped out recently. As I always say, some people think this issue of Mohbad may have ended. And those still talking about the matter are just looking for nothing but money. But in the actual sense, it's not. A lot of people actually want Mohbad to get justice, especially Nigerians in diaspora. Even Nigerians here are still working tirelessly to get to the root of the matter. One piece of question remains unanswered to this very moment I speak. Why did Mohbad's wife, Wunmi, initially publish it on the internet that Imole died of ear infection?
Babalaro.
and purposely pushed away all the things that happened in Mohbad's apartment before the guy joined his ancestor. My country people, as I said earlier, can see this comment from NKYP. I'm trying to get the comments. Timbari, tell me go access the comments in front of me. Because this person, the way she did the something, I could not even get the full gist. That's why I would have preferred to, to create the content myself, but this person has covered. You can see she covered the comments. You can see that she covered it. You see, she covered that comment. And it is unfair. So I would like to play her voice to you. So, only you could listen. Omi and Mohbad had an argument from show, which extends to. Guys, in case you don't understand what this video is all about, this video is all about a lady that dropped a comment in one particular post like that. You know that with all these Mohbad's friends, Umi's friends, that they knew much about what happened, that knew the contribution of Wumi towards the RIP of Mohbad, that they couldn't talk due to the oath they have made. So these people now, they are communicating through some people. They will not be the one to say it, to talk themselves, okay, because of the oath they've made or because of wanting the covenants they have made that they will not ever voice out. Now they are voicing out through their own relatives, through their own friends that were not known to Wumi or to the rest. You understand? Now this person that one of the witness has communicated with has now dropped a comment in a particular post for people to know what really happened that day. What really happened? Okay? The cuts that we all saw in Mohbad's hand, what happened to that hand? This is what really happened, guys. Listen with a rapt attention. The house. When they got home, the fight escalated. Mohbad got really angry, and out of order, he was physically fighting with Wumi, and the people around them joined to separate them. But Mohbad started jija with all of them. That was why the guy in the car, which is Wumi brother, got his swollen eye. No wonder. That was not Wumi's brother. That was Mohbad's uncle. That PA, Darosha. Okay? That was Darosha. That guy with swollen eye in the car that was shouting, Mohbad is there. So, that is the person. Let's continue. During the fight, Wumi got Obey from the zinc and attempted to. So that's Obey. This sister doesn't want to say because of the security, because of the community, something. A knife. She was talking about knife, okay? Obey is knife. Mohbad. See this. Mohbad quickly raised his hand to cover and he got. So because of community guidelines, this sister was unable to read according to what she saw, okay? So what happened is that, when that fight started that day between Wumi and Mohbad, so she now said the commenter, it was the commenter that thought that Wumi took knife from the zinc to choke Mohbad and blood started gushing. But that is why they did not speak, but insisted, called a nurse to come home to treat him because they know that question will be asked and Mohbad will talk. They continue to
that court that the red water started gushing out. So they now Wunmi now tried to give Mohbad medicine, okay? She gave him medicine because the hand got swollen, and because of that knife was very dirty. I don't want to say knife. Okay, that thing that they use in cutting yam. Now that metal was very dirty. That was the reason why tetanus got into the wound. Okay.
Because he had been home by the ovetotosi. They called the nurse to come so as to cover up. Wunmi and the rest will not talk because they have made an they don't make covenant in their campus.
They made covenants. Wunmi and those people that were present there, even with Mohbad PA, that Darosa, and every one of them present in the house, even with Mohbad's brother, they have made covenant that they will never leak the secret. What happened, what they saw with their eyes, they will never say it out. They will never leak the secret out. They have already made the oath.
It's a sin to Asiri. The boy with
it's a sin to leak out secrets.
Open gap in his seat that was in the car with Mohbad.
Darusha.
His wife and others that was crying, Mohbad is cool, Mohbad is cool. He was the one that came out to lie initially that he took picture with Mohbad at the hospital just to lay an alibi to cover up. Exactly, that was what happened. Could you please help me to broadcast this? We are intelligent people. We live abroad. We are not. Oh, thank you.
You can see that, guys. You can see secrets are coming out. Secrets are being leaked. The secret that Wunmi was trying to protect, she made oaths with those people present, and that's why you see that they couldn't talk because of the covenant. There is a sin to leak out secrets. That anything that they see here, you must not say it out. That's why you see that. Even Mohbad's blood brother refused to talk. Mama Wunmi refused to talk. Every one of them, Daosa refused to talk. Anybody there, they refused to talk. That was the reason why you saw that DJ, that he refused to mention Wunmi. Secrets must not be leaked. Guys, share this video, please. I want you to share. Share.
So guys, if you love Wunmi, please stand by her. If you love Mohbad.
Yeah, gbogbo ibi tó ń wò mí kí n tó lọ sí second stage. Ẹ gbọ́ àṣírí tí arábìnrin yìí tú lórí platform Yèyé Kudi. But number one nìkan tó rú mi lójú, gbogbo wa náà láti ń gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ wípé Wunmi ló mú ọ̀bẹ tó fi gún Mohbad. Okay? Ohun tó wá ń surprise mi òun ni wípé nínú àṣírí tó tú yìí, wọ́n ní nígbà tí Wunmi mú ọ̀bẹ tó fi gún Mohbad, pé ọ̀bẹ tó fi gún yẹn, ọ̀bẹ yẹn ó ní dọ̀tí nínú, ọ̀bẹ yẹn dọ̀tí, pé òun ló fà tí tetanus fi wọ ibi ojú ibi tó ti gún Mohbad. Okay? Tàbá sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀, ṣé lótìtọ́ àti lódodo gbogbo ẹ̀yin oníṣègùn òyìnbó, ẹ̀yin professional doctor, ẹ̀yin màmá tẹ́ ti gbilẹ̀ nínú nurse, tẹ́ mọ in and out ẹ̀yà ara, ṣé bí tetanus ṣe máa ń yára pààyàn nìyẹn? Because Mohbad lọ sí show ní alẹ́ Sunday, ó wọlé padà ní fẹ̀rẹ̀ Monday, torí ó ti kọjá past 12 tí wọ́n fi délé, mí ni pé ó ti bọ́ síjọ́ kejì, mí ni Monday. káti ẹ̀ wá gbà wípé gbogbo irọ́ tó ń pa wípé ìjọ Tuesday ni Mohbad jáde láyé káti ẹ̀ wá gbà pé gbogbo irọ́ tí wọ́n ń pa Tuesday ni Mohbad jáde láyé so possible kí tatanus kó wá ara èèyàn níjọ́ Monday kó dẹ̀ pa ní ìjọ́ kejì Tuesday so possible ẹ jọ èmi ò mọ̀ ní o gbogbo ẹ̀yin onímọ̀ tẹ́ bá wà lórí platform yìí o mo ṣe ní kẹ́ bá mi share fídíò yìí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá come across fídíò yìí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi fi answer sí abẹ́ question yẹn ẹ jọ ṣé tatanus ṣó lè gbẹ̀mí èèyàn láàrin ìjọ́ kan o ní tatanus lénìí ó dẹ̀ díjọ́ kejì before 12 o'clock wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ pé tatanus yẹn ló pa ẹnìyẹn mo mọ̀ pé tatanus máa ń pààyàn accepted but kán tó lè sọ wípé tatanus pààyàn wá gbogbo kò tọ́jú ẹsẹ̀ yẹn ni kò tọ́jú ọwọ́ yẹn ni tatanus ti wọ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́ tí ó mọ̀ òun ló jẹ́ kó lead sí nǹkan tó lead sí yẹn bóyá wọ́n á ti máa ka bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan àbọ̀sẹ̀ méjì tẹ́niyàn ò take abẹ yẹn wọ́n á ní tatanus wọ̀ but láàárín ìjọ́ kan sí ìjọ́ kejì ṣé tatanus lè gbẹ̀mí èèyàn ṣá láì ṣe pé bóyá ẹni tó yẹ pé ó ti wà ní dùbúlẹ̀ àìsàn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́ni tó lọ sí show níjọ́ Sunday tó perform di alẹ́ tó wọlé nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ ìjọ́ kejì ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi yànnàná àárín yẹn ẹ̀yin oníṣègùn òyìnbó lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dáadáa tí mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ẹ máa mọ bí tatanus ṣe operate ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó kàn mí lóminú ó mú àánú tí èèyàn bá fẹ́ pa irọ́ kéèyàn mọ irọ́ tó fẹ́ pa but nínú information tó sọ pé ó jáde Wùnmí sọ pé ear infection òun ló pa ń gbà yẹn ó tún ní bàbá Mohbad ló ní kí prime boy wá gún pa ó tún yá oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ló sọ later ló tún sọ wípé àwọn ghost industry ló gbẹ̀mí Mohbad ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ti pa ẹ̀ wá gbé tọ́ọ̀fì yín ó tún yá ó tún ní àwọn bàbá Liam ló pa Mohbad now a tún gbọ́n sìn nínú information yìí pé tatanus ló tún ní ẹjọ́ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣé bí tatanus ṣe máa ń yára pààyàn nìyẹn kò yé èmi mọ́ o now another information tí ẹ tún wá gbọ́n sìn nínú the same video yìí náà ni arákùnrin kan sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé ká sọ wípé ara àwọn tí Wùnmí ń sanwó fún ni àbí bí làákàyè justice tá à ń wá yìí bí làákàyè tiẹ̀ ṣe gbé mọ́ ni tó ní ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ justice kó support Wùnmí ìwọ tó bá like baba Mohbad kó support Wùnmí ìwọ tó bá like Liam kó support Wùnmí ìwọ tó ẹjọ́ kí ni mí ni support Wùnmí tí wọ́n ń sọ yẹn àárín ò yé mi ṣé kán support Wùnmí pé actually right from beginning èmi máa ń sọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ mi dáadáa tẹ́ ti gbọ́ mi sẹ́yìn ní 2025 mo máa ń sọ mo ní mo lè bá yín fọwọ́ sọ̀yẹ́ pé Wùnmí kọ́ ló pa Mohbad but ó mọ àwọn tó pa Mohbad kó wá sọ síta òun ló dogun ló di wàhálà yìí èmi mọ̀ pé Wùnmí kọ́ ló pa Mohbad ẹ̀yin máa wo ó fọ̀bẹ gún ó fi kinní kan gún ó ṣe gbá kan gún ó ṣàwo kan gún gbogbo kinní ó lè jẹ́ fírèmù ni o ó lè jẹ́ fírèmù ni o ó lè jẹ́ setup ní gbogbo kinní tí original àṣírí tó bá máa tú ok agbára wo ni Wùnmí ní tó máa lóhùn bá gbogbo àwọn tó wà nílé ṣe ìmùlẹ̀ pé wọn ò gbọdọ̀ tó àṣírí síta èlò ló ní tó fẹ́ gbé fún wọn tí ó bá ń ṣe wípé àwọn kan báàkì ọ̀rọ̀ yìí up àwọn kan wà ń di ikú Mohbad ẹ̀yẹ́ máa wò tági ọ̀rọ̀ yìí bá máa ṣí tán finally ẹ máa rí pé Wùnmí kọ́ ló pa Mohbad but ó mọ àwọn tó ṣekú pa Mohbad àti sọ jáde ibi tí wàhálà wà nìyẹn bóyá tó bá sọ ó máa kú ni o bóyá tó bá sọ nǹkan kan máa ṣe ni o I don't know ẹja máa ẹ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí arákùnrin tó ní kí gbogbo èèyàn máa support Wùnmí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ibi tó fẹ́ láǹdì ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn sí ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
secrets are coming out.
Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ bẹ̀yẹn dáadáa ni mo ṣe padà sẹ́yìn díẹ̀ o.
The secret that Wunmi was trying to protect, she made oaths with those people present, and that's why you see that they could not talk, they couldn't talk because of the covenant.
Àṣírí sì máa tú
There
tán.
is a sin to leak out secrets. That anything that they see here, you must not say it out. That's why you see that. Even Mohbad's blood brother refused to talk.
Àṣírí sì máa tú tán.
Mama Wunmi refused to talk. Every one of them, Dausa refused to talk. Anybody there, they refused to talk. That was the reason why you saw that DJ. That he refused to mention Wunmi. Secrets must not be leaked. Guys, share this video, please. I want you to share.
Share. Video yìí ó wà most important.
If you love Wunmi, please stand by her.
Ṣẹ́gbọ́n.
If you love Mohbad,
Ṣẹ́gbọ́n.
stand by Wunmi.
Ṣẹ́gbọ́n.
If you feel Liam is going through a whole lot, stand by Wunmi.
What does that mean?
Because as it stands right now, the information wey dey get to Wunmi and her lawyer now be say, they no go fit use Mohbad body again because of the condition wey the body don be.
Ṣé torí ẹ̀ ní?
Allow them post that one by themselves.
Ṣé torí ẹ̀ ní ká ṣe wá stand by Wunmi?
Now, it means that on the 3rd of February that we are expecting the result of this DNA.
A ti mọ̀ pé fake náà ló máa gbé jáde.
The result on that day. Why? Because then the reason say the way the body take be, dem fit no fit do am again.
A ti mọ̀ pé fake náà ni already.
Wunmi and the lawyer now come dey push say court no. By all means, look for a hospital. There must be a hospital wey go fit use even if na the bone of Mohbad wetin remain from am take run the DNA. Now, we want to touch to this point. Now we want you supposed to talk about with this. Say Mohbad remains. Mohbad remains supposed to 6 feet. But because this man has been changing lawyer back to back, every time you change lawyer, you intentionally delay something. Wunmi has been using the same lawyer which they use from day one. Wunmi now they use the same lawyer which they use from day one till now, one lawyer. This was change the first lawyer, second lawyer, even use senior advocate of Nigeria, now use another lawyer. In fact, the lawyer wey they use now, wetin even first thing the most be say, you leave court wey you suppose dey, you go dey explain for TikTok with that immunizer lofo, you go dey explain for TikTok. A widow that is still mourning her husband, still trying to take care of the son, where everybody dey battle, where everybody dey disturb. Imagine a widow hearing that the remains of your husband can't be used because of the condition. Who will take such news lightly? It means that these people mentally everything they just want messed with my butt. Now just recently we talk about rumor wey dey fly up and down say she get belle, she get now like give her the belle ni. And this Wunmi has never
Àti ẹ̀kún gbọ́ pé ó ti bímọ.
to label one person wicked,
A gbọ́ pé ó ti bímọ.
to insult anybody. She's always doing her job, waiting for the court to pass justice. But no, different propaganda. This one come from there, come from here, come from here, come from here. Baba Mohbad one time told Wunmi that instead of them to use Mohbad, that time the body never did like that. This case now never did like this. So instead of them to use Mohbad, make them use him. Wunmi no be Wunmi so God forbid you want to use you instead of when Mohbad did it. Now when the matter don't be like this now they gonna suggest for her that she use one of their family member. Wunmi is still insisting that no, I must use Mohbad to this journey because people can manipulate this difficult change lawyer. Back to back just to manipulate results, which means you can manipulate this thing. So what Wunmi is saying is that because you look for any hospital, even though the hospital has found them for you, no matter what it go cost, let them try look for a hospital that will use Mohbad because the only hospital will use Mohbad remains with Liam on it. Now he bring the test, bring accurate tests. So right now she needs your support. She needs your prayers. She needs divine intervention. These people have done everything they could to mess her up mentally. She's still standing. I don't know how many women will get the strength that Wunmi gets. I don't know if they give Wunmi strength or God continue to give you that strength. I don't know how many people when their son go dey in that condition, they go use the condition of their son when they burn up and down, they travel up and down, they use all the opportunity when they are available, you know, they beg for money. I don't know one person that will do that. So whatever it is you are doing right now, pray for Wunmi. Support me in every way that you can. That lady needs our support. She's a giving widow. Whenever I see, say they beg the husband, when people they try to take away the right of not for her, of her son. Now he it. We must do that DNA. I'm telling the world that it is this man that is delaying this DNA. If not for say the interview Baba Mohbad, when it was very tell us so that the one delaying the DNA, since the children are waiting for years. If not, plenty valuable people don't accuse me. Since over 18 months, this man has been changing lawyer, delaying this case. We would have got to, we will not get to these areas and the police ask the right question, done the right thing. So the question is, who made the police not to do the right thing? Who? Who made the police covering by looking away, by not asking the right question? So these questions are the questions that will keep this case alive for as long as time is. The case will go nowhere. Who is that police officer? The DPO. Who is that DPO? Who they brought a corpse to? And you could do nothing but to tell them to go away. To tell them to go away. But to just tell them to go away. To tell them to go away, just go. Go. And so when you look at this case, you'll see that the police, everything in this case revolves around them. It revolves around the police. It revolves around the investigation. It revolves around their feelings. It revolves around their shenanigans. It revolves around their incompetence. Everything about the case. Everything about it. I mean, how is it that they brought a corpse to the police station? The police never even go to the body to examine it.
Can you imagine?
Whether it is a corpse that they brought, or a log of food, or a goat, or maybe they just wrap a cow. They wrap a cow with white cloth and brought it and lied and say that it is human body. You understand? So you see, so you didn't do that. They never did that. They didn't ask them, okay, what happened to him? Is he alive? They said, no, he's gone. Do you have any documentation to show that he's gone? Who certified him that he's gone? Who certified him died? Where is the document? Where is the document? To this day, the Baba has never set his eyes on that document to show that, this was what happened to his son. Never. Never. The first doctor that attended to him, according to them, because there is a narrative that they had actually gone to one hospital before they went to Kurame. I don't know how far that is true. But the hospital that gave them the document, the report of what happened, according to the nurse, that document is nowhere to be found to this day. To this day, it's nowhere to be found. Questions are still hanging. Police said he bled profusely. How? How did he bleed profusely? Where? When? Can we see the evidence of profuse bleeding? They still can't produce it. To this day? To this day? They still can't produce it. They can't explain to the world that, listen, this is the evidence. They were mopping it up. This is the sign. These are the pictures. This is the pictures. These are the signs. Yes, bed. Look, this was the cloth that they used to mop the floor. Look at it. We did an x-ray. This was what the x-ray showed. Had the police known that this case would turn out to be like this, do you think they would have come out to give that sham, disgusting press statement that they did? They will not. As a matter of fact, that press release they did is binding them right now. It's binding them. It's like a noose around their neck. That press statement that they did is like a noose around their neck. A noose that's well tightened. There's no way they can remove it. There's no way they can remove it. So I'm asking the question, how can you say you're going ahead, you want to charge the nurse and spending for negligence?
Can you imagine?
You left Adura, who was in the house,
DJ Bami,
who owed his brother,
the owner of the husband,
the most duty of care in the... Like that.
Oh, our leg boy. I want to conduct a question on the building. Eba me share video yi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí bí mo ṣe máa ń bẹ̀ eba me share. Ẹ jẹ́ kó go fire. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó tún fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. Kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ wá bá mi subscribe sí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀lẹ́ Global TV fún àǹfààní ẹni tẹ́ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ̀ tẹ́ kọ́ máa kàn sí péjì. Kẹ́ wá fi ọkàn yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section. Kí lẹ̀yin rí sí? Mo tún padà bọ̀. Ire o.